Hello guys, another simplification problem. First we will do 30 minus 10 is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule. Here in PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division has same priority, and addition and subtraction also has same priority. You can do either of these first or second. So according to this rule, we will do first 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Then 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. It is the right answer. If you have different opinion, please comment, like, share.